So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download your AirAsia flight ticket. So the first thing you want to do is to open up airasia.com. On there you can see apps, purchases, check-in, FAQs, flight status, support, promotions, your languages, and you can see your account as well. So through there you can see flights, snaps, and stuff like that. Now if you want to download your flight ticket, you can do that. So you don't have to go to flights. You can just log in and go to your purchases, which is going to activate this AirAsia right here. So you can see your active and past purchases. In this case, you should go to your active most likely and then click on your itinerary. Now your itinerary will basically be some sort of a plan or a schedule to which you must adhere so you can move on with your booking. So just go to your active bookings, find that itinerary, click on download PDF, from which point it's going to download within your browser. You can access it within your files, and then you can use the included print button in whichever PDF you're using. So you will see your print button there. If you can't access it or you can't spot it, you can just click on Control P to start printing or to get a print wizard. After that, you can just choose the device or that printer that you have connected to your PC or some other device and start downloading your ticket so you can have the physical copy with you as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on AirAsia or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.